Hey guys, how's it going? So we've had our first incident in the Mx5, taking our first casualty. So we came on that roundabout, hit the water, started to spin, turned into it in the attempt to not crash. Caught grip, spun the other way, headed towards the curb, hit the curb and bounced off the curb. As you can see, there's some other cars crashed on there as well, so it's not just us. Okay, so we came on that bend there, hit the body of water and started to spin, and we hit the curb somewhere along here. So that means the piece of wheel should be around here somewhere. Oh, there's a piece. Oh, and there's a piece. Yeah, that's definitely part of the wheel. Looks like a lot more than I thought. Looks like there's more there than there's actually missing from the wheel. So they obviously hit and then flung off. So yeah, we've rescued them. They'll be a memento to remind that it's dangerous driving on the road. As far as I know so far from last night, we've knocked the tracking off, we've shut the back alloy, and yeah, that's as far as I know so far. So we're going to go down now, have a check, see what the damage is, see how we're going to get it back on the road. So let's go find out. Well, even though the tracking's been knocked off, the front wheels don't look like they've bent in any way. They're pointing in different directions, so that could be a positive sign, hopefully. We are very lucky to have pressure in that tyre. As you can tell, that is very close to the edge of the rim. Almost beading. If that pressure had come out, it would have beaded the wheel and would have done even more damage to it coming home. Luckily it was only around the corner, so we didn't have far to crawl. Right, let's see if we've done anything to the front one. We'll jack it up and have a see if it's straight or if we bent the alloy. Oh dear, you can't get the jack in. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us. Beautiful. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. Yep, high enough off the floor. Moment of truth, we'll see if this wheel's bent or not. Oh, it's not bent. Seems pretty straight. Well, on inspection, nothing looked noticeably bent. I was a bit worried these tracking arms would have bent after we put them spacers on, but no, it seems okay. Oh dear, so I tried to jack up the other side with this rubbish one, and it's bent this side, so I'm going to have to try and whack the wheel on fast so it can't bloody fall over, otherwise I'll no get it down. Okay, so I managed to get the wheel back on. Jack hasn't gave away. Put this tyre under it, just in case it did. Try and get this down. I feel like we're going to struggle because it's a bit of a funny angle now. Oh, back on it. If it comes down far enough, this looks quite dangerous. This is gonna. Oh dear. Rejected up weight as well. It'll take forever to get down. I think we should add a new scissor jack to the list of things we need to get. This is bending. It's a really funny angle. Oh dear. We've hit the bottom. We're still not out. Oh, there we go, fixed it. Just like that. No dramas, what are we worrying about? Besides the fact the car nearly fell over, what's there to worry about? Oh look. Well, the scissor jack's still straight. Ish. Something's definitely bent though, because that front wheel is a bit far back in the archway. Well, we'll find out where it is when we've got the back wheel tool and we'll take it to the garage. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Okay. So today the new wheel should be coming, so I've set up, doing my uni work, looking out the window. because I live in a flat and it's an absolute nightmare to get a parcel delivered, so I want to see the van coming when it comes. So hopefully the wheel will come today and we can take them both, get the tyres swapped over, wheel back on, then we can see what damage has happened to the front of the car when we're rolling, take it to a garage. It's here! Sorry. So it's finally arrived. It came today while I was at uni, and Sophie collected it for me, so thanks Sophie. So let's go get it sorted, shall we? No, let's open it first. Delicious. Oh! Caution, check wheel fitments for bolt pattern, cap up and brake for clearance prior to mounting tyre. Caution, do not fit tyres yet. Careful. Oh nice. Oh nice. Oh nice.
That's massive.
Oh, thanks.
Oh, look at that little cover. That's so cute. Oh yeah, I was worried it was going to be black, but it's because I have a black cover on. Black chrome.
Is that the right one?
Dunno, I'm not good. Not got my vernier. Yeah, it's the right one, I'm pretty sure. Just go double check. Looks exactly the same. Okay, let's go see if it fits on the Mx5. Should do, it should be the exact same wheel.
Have you done your 6 quick checks?
You see me do me 6 point checks. Your 6-point check.
Okay, bye.
Hey. Okay, we'll go do 6 quick checks. Well, it's the right shape, it's not a square. 15.825. Yeah. That's the same. Pretty much the same as the one I just. I think it's the right one. Well, balanced. Put its shower cap back on.
Have fun.
Thanks, bye!
Bye. Bye.
I mean, this is going to be like a test day to see how many wheels we can get in the boot when we go track day. I mean, at least they won't be square, I reckon maybe 2. Maybe we'll cross that hurdle when we get to it. Hey up guys, you ready for winter? Here's my brother, the dad is super. so we're on the way to try and get the front of the car sorted now. And we've got half an hour of this. Driving 30 miles an hour on the A road with that lovely rubbing. Sorry. 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 Okay, in hindsight, I feel like we should have stopped at a different garage to make sure nothing was bent first. But otherwise we're going to have to do the exact same thing on the way back. So, half an hour drive back it is. So we've bent the lower arm on the right side. So we're going to go back, look into getting a new lower arm. Then we'll be back down again, so we're going to do another half an hour journey after that. Well, at least it gets sorted.
Yo, like and subscribe. This is Callum Gilman with the Mx5.
Bang bang, won't stop till we're legends. Bang bang, bang bang, bang bang, won't stop till we're legends.
I love a bag of bits.